Antarctica. What comes to our minds when we hear the word Antarctica? The coldest place on Earth. A vast area covered with a whole lot of ice. Polar bears walking around on the ice. And the penguins waddling together as a colony. Apart from these, Antarctica is a home to a number of ice shelves, and the Ross Ice Shelf is the largest amongst them. What are ice shelves? Ice shelves are thick suspended platforms of ice that connect to a landmass. They are only found in Antarctica, Greenland, Canada, and the Russian Arctic. Ice shelves need to remain frozen because they reflect large amounts of sunlight back into space and help regulate the global temperature. But these rare ice shelves are being heavily affected by climate change because of its profound effect on the Earth's climate and ocean systems. The Ross Ice Shelf was first seen in 1841 by the British polar explorer James Clark Ross. The Ross Ice Shelf is the world's largest body of floating ice with a mean ice thickness of about 1,100 feet, which is 3.5 times the height of New York's Statue of Liberty. It covers an area of roughly 472,000 square kilometers, the size of Spain. Just imagine a huge frozen cloud of ice hanging over Spain. It's mind-blowing, right? This ice shelf is not only known because it's the world's largest, but it acts as a vital natural barrier, providing stability to the West Antarctic ice sheet by blocking the ice which flows in from some of the world's largest glaciers. Studies show that several parts of the world's largest ice shelf are melting 10 times faster than the rest, shedding light on how it might respond to climate change. Scientists used to think that this occurrence was mainly related to their exposure to warm, deep ocean water, but they soon found out that was not all. Solar heated surface water played a crucial role in melting ice shelves. The sun heats ocean surface water, which then flows into a cavity under the shelf, causing melt rates to rise, especially during the summer months. About 15 to 20 inches of ice may be added to the Ross Ice Shelf by bottom freezing, but it loses 47 to 87 inches per year. If after many years the Ross Ice Shelf collapses, it could lead to a sea level rise of several meters or more. Rising sea levels could drown coastal and inland areas around the world. More than 13 million people could be exposed to a 6 feet or more sea level rise by the end of this century. Of those residents, about a quarter are in Miami-Dade and Broward counties in Florida. There are ways that we all can slowly stop climate change. We can try to use more reusable items and recycle rather than throwing out a lot of garbage. We will save 1 pound of carbon dioxide for every mile that we don't drive. Also, we can simply adjust the thermostat in our houses. During the winter, moving the thermostat down 2 degrees, and during the summer, moving the thermostat up 2 degrees, could save nearly 2,000 pounds of carbon dioxide a year. Well, why is reducing the emission of carbon dioxide so important? Carbon dioxide traps the heat that the ice shelves are reflecting and sends it back into Earth, causing temperatures to rise dramatically. Through its history, the Ross Ice Shelf has been sensitive to changes in ocean and air temperatures. Currently, ocean warming underneath the Ross Ice Shelf is the main concern, given its potential to cause melting from below. challenges remain in determining exactly how ocean temperatures will change underneath the Ross Ice Shelf in the coming decades. But despite this ongoing pandemic, research is still being conducted on how to save these ice shelves. Thank you.